See clearly in the dark with these under cabinet lights. Each comes with 40 pieces, white warm LEDs and 8 RGB LEDs. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look what I just found out. This is actually a magnetic strip. That is so cool. Okay, I love that because what this means is this can be repositionable. So you could have the light secured to a fixture or something, and then you change your mind or you want it to be used somewhere else. You can easily move it to a new location. Say you take it off of a fixture and now you can just use the individual light, and then you could just pop it back up. I don't know, I think this is really cool. Like if you had it in a closet or something and you're like, oh, my light looks great. Wait, I need a flashlight for a quick second. Then you use it and then you re-secure it. I'm easily amused, but I actually think that's pretty cool. Look at this adorable remote control. I have used several remote control products in the past. This is definitely the coolest remote I've ever seen. I love the RGB lighting across here. The color spectrum is incredible, and just the features, but then how cute, ergonomically speaking. Like, this is really fun. I like it. With the super cool remote, you can easily adjust the brightness, change colors, and even set a timer. Try out Fade, Flash, Smooth, and Strobe mode. Since these are USB rechargeable, you can appreciate energy savings. Each light's magnetic base is attracted to ironwork, yet comes with self-adhesive strips for non-magnetic surfaces. No cords, no fuss, just fun. My suggestion? Light up the night with a dance party.